Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to remove news from home screen Microsoft Bing in computer. So how to remove news from home screen Microsoft Bing in computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Microsoft Bing via the browser on your computer. Here you are already on the initial display of Microsoft Bing. Here there is a display of the latest news today. Maybe most of you are disturbed by this display. To remove it, move the cursor to the upper right corner of the screen. Here there is a three-line icon. And tap. A scrolling menu will appear. Scroll down on this menu. To remove news from the initial display of Microsoft Bing, tap to turn it off. Show news and interest. Now here you can see that the news on the initial display has disappeared. And if you want to restore the news display, tap again to turn it on. Now here you can see that it is back. So that's it, the tutorial on how to remove news from home screen Microsoft Bing in computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.